Hey there, good day to you. This is John Hooks from John-Hooks.com. Welcome to my graphic review. Sounds funny. But hey, listen, I am in the dashboard of Graphik here, and we're actually going to come back. I created a separate demo video, and we're going to go through what all can be done with this software. Pretty amazing. So to start off with, we're going to go over to my bonus page where I'm going to have additional information, going to have prices, the bonuses that you're going to get. So to get to my bonus page from YouTube here, go ahead and click on the link beneath this video that says get my exclusive bonuses in Graphik here. When you click on that link, it'll take you to the page that we're looking at now. So Graphik, world's premier done-for-you technology that enables you to create, to use for yourself or sell professional graphics, designs, video logos, banners, and much more in any niche. All right, and so what the front end of it is you get an all-in-one graphics and video platform, simple drag and drop design editor, thousands of inbuilt done-for-you templates. No design skills are required, no monthly fees. Artificial intelligence, cloud-based platform, millions of searchable royalty-free assets with no copyrights, top quality designs and graphics without freelancers or agencies, fully editable logo and icon creator with pre-made templates library, creates graphics, logos, icons, banners, videos, and much more. Unlimited commercial licenses included, unlimited designs, one-click download, 365-day guarantee. All right, and so basically in 3 steps you can create the amazing designs that you have in your mind here, right? So step number 1, select the done for you template. You get to choose from thousands of pre-built designs and banners for banners, business cards, blog graphics, social covers, and much more. Step number 2 is to edit. So you're gonna replace or add text, colors, icons, images, vectors, and just start editing your template to get it to where you want it to be. And step number 3 is to go ahead and download it. So once you're happy with your design, you're going to hit the download button to print your designs without any additional fee in the different formats. Okay, so right here is where I'm going to go ahead and insert my demo video. It's about 7 minutes long, and so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, John here, and I am back in the dashboard of Graphik, and we're just going to go through this fairly quickly to show you what it all can do. All right, and so we're in the on the dashboard menu here, and it's just basically your intro. Then we get into the graphics creator. So if we click on that, it gives you the option of different templates. You can create your own template. Then you have ones that are already sized out, like social media covers, ebooks, business cards, flyers, infographics, slide decks, social media covers, YouTube covers, and like I said, you can make anything. You make banners of different sizes. You can modify the sizes and everything of your own there. Let's take a quick look at one here. And so here's one. I think I chose like an ebook cover. And so you can go over here and you can find some clip art that you can put in. You can choose images. This is like a background image here. And so if you wanted to give it a background image, you can just drag it over. You can rotate it. Let's resize it, and we're going to use it. And of course, you can resize the image here to work with it a little bit easier if you need more space and stuff like that. I'm going to rotate this around here a little bit. Okay, and so we have our basic cover here, and you can add text, of course, and you can put in here Oops, I guess I need to activate it there, and we're going to type the text here. Okay, yeah, you can change the size of it, the letter spacing, the line height. You know, we can go ahead and center it a little bit more, and whatnot. And like I said, you can we can change, you know, things on it there also. You have text effects. You know, you have your color template here, and you can make it transparent, you know, or you know, whatever. Let's go ahead and make that color a little bit lighter. We'll just go ahead and choose white, you know, just for an example. All right. You can put on shapes, layers, you know, a lot of different things here. Clipboard, resources, and whatnot, and you can make yourself really nice, you know, ebook cover there. So let's get back to that, just to show you, you know, it's a pretty basic editor. You have icons and logos. You can, you know, search for logos here. Okay, I just put in rocket, and so, you know, we have this little rocket icon here. Yeah, you can change the background, the dimensions, the opacity, you know, the color, you know, of the icon. You have your icon settings itself, you know, the size, bigger, smaller, the capacity also, and we have shadow settings. Yeah, which is a really cool thing. Now, okay, this shadow doesn't kind of make sense on the side of the rocket, so let's change that angle. All right, let's say, you know, we want it to be more like a jet stream, right? And then we can lessen the opacity a little bit, make it look more like you know, exhaust and whatnot. And of course, you can, you know, change the angle there. The border settings, which are here, as we see, the 6F is white, but the reason it doesn't show us white is because of the opacity. So if we bring the opacity, you know, back up to 100%, you can see that it, you know, that it's white. So you can change, you know, the color. You can change the opacity to give it some different effects and stuff like that. Okay, so moving on, images. You can search images. I believe Shutterstock is what's being used here. Let's say we're looking for I don't know, buildings, and then just hit enter. If you don't see what you want, you just click load more. You don't see what you want, you just click load more, and so on and so on. And so you can have some great images there. Background removal. This is pretty cool, and you can upload any image and remove the background from it. You have your image editor. This is the standard image editor that you've probably seen many times before. Let's see here. And so you can, you know, add text and, you know, icons and, you know, shapes, stickers, and everything else. And so you can change the corners. You can do the frame effects. You know, see, I did the rounded corners, so and whatnot, and of course you can add your text and stuff like that. That'll make a pretty nice image there. Then you also have a video editor, and it's actually separated. You have your advanced for Windows, you have your advanced editor for Mac, and your advanced video editor for Linux there. You can search videos. Let's say we want to search traffic, all right? And so it brings you up a list. If you don't see what you see, or you don't like what you see, you can always go ahead and load more. Let's go ahead and choose this one. We can play it, see what it looks like. All right, and you can after you do some editing to it, you can send it to Facebook or Twitter. All right, and that's a search videos. You can search vectors on here. What shall we do as a vector? Let's say children. Okay, and so you can always click load more and keep on going there, and you can add those to your project there. Okay, so you have a lot of video templates that you can use and download. I won't do that, but you have plenty to choose from. All right, and then of course you have your support link, you have your tutorials, and of course the bonuses that are being presented to you. All right, that's it in a nutshell. Thanks. All right, thank you. How'd you like that? I tried to squeeze it in as best as I could here. So let's continue on my bonus page here. And so what is this going to cost? $17. Now, I do believe that it's on an incremental increase, but $17 if you go ahead and jump on it during the launch period. And there might be a discount offered to you. Okay, so and then we have the Graphik Pro version for $37. You get all with unlimited features, unlimited reseller license, remove all restrictions and watermarks. You get more high definition templates, extra searchable stock platforms like GIFs, vectors, and videos. OTO number 2 for $47, you get the done for you campaign. So you get 50 done for you ready to sell video files, done for you evergreen affiliate campaigns, done for you automated campaigns, CPA campaigns, social media promos, email campaigns, engagement posts, squeeze pages, stock music, and images, all done for you, $47. All right. For white label rights, OT number 3 for $27. That's not too bad. So basically you get exclusive one-time opportunity here, and you'll never see the special offer ever again. So basically the white label right is that you can get Graphik, change the name of it, make it your own, and resell it as if it's your own. All right. And then OTO number 4, 6-figure training for $97. And so you get 3 advanced training modules, Instagram traffic training, 5-figure product creation, Google Ads advanced training, scale your online business, free and paid traffic trainings, and learn how to remarket. All right, OTO number 5 is the reseller rights to this. So for $297, you can grab Graphik and resell it, keep 100% of the profits throughout the funnel, and you got it made. All right. Oops, sorry about that. And OTO number 6 here is hosting for $67, and that's if you don't have storage or hosting yourself. We're going to host unlimited videos for you, add free videos to help you skyrocket your engagement. It's SEO friendly. You can create playlists and channels with it, have unlimited audience views, lead finds, 30 gigabyte of storage altogether, real fast bandwidth, attractive player that works on any device, lightning loading speeds, 100% control, embed anywhere with embed code, support all types of video formats, fully SEO optimized. You can go viral with social sharing, step-by-step video training included. You get your commercial license with this. You can use it for your clients, and there is no buffering. Okay, so just to wrap up on this part of it, basically the front end, are the benefits here. You get your all-in-one graphics and video platform, drag and drop, thousands of inbuilt done-for-you templates, no design skills required, no monthly fees, cloud-based, millions of searchable free assets, top quality designs, fully editable logos and icon creator with more, creates graphic logos, banners, videos, much more, limited commercial license, unlimited designs, one-click download, and of course, again, that 365-day guarantee. I do have a demo video here. It's not the demo that I did. It's one of those, follow the cursor as it moves around by itself demos there. But if you want to, bookmark this page, come back, you'll be able to watch my demo as well as this demo that was created by the creator himself. All right. And so I have some bonuses for you. So to start off with, when you pick up Graphik through any of my banners today, click on any of the red banners. I have a number of bonuses, starting off with Sales Copy Secrets. All right, this is a digital download version. Bonus number 2, I'm giving you 5,000 visitors to the URL of your choice. In addition, 2,500 text ads and 2,500 banner impressions. Bonus number 3, a Mayday Payday. Bonus number 4, YT Velocity. And bonus number 5 are the bonuses that the creators of Graphik has passed on through me, to give to you when you pick up Graphik today through any of my banner links here. All right. This is sold on the Warrior Plus platform. So when you finish your secure checkout, you'll be taken to your purchase page, and you'll click on the green button to access Graphik and the bonuses that were given to you through them, and the blue button will be to access the bonuses that I just presented to you. All right, so that is it. I want to go ahead and thank you for taking the time to watch this review video. And you got the demo, you got the prices, you got the bonuses that are being offered to you. Go ahead and pick this up today. And that is it. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone has a fantastic day, and as always, to your success.